Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something incredibly important. Liver health. Our liver is like the body's powerhouse, performing over 500 vital functions to keep us healthy. From filtering toxins out of our bloodstream to metabolizing fats, proteins and carbohydrates. It's a multitasking marvel. But just like any other organ, the liver needs proper care to function optimally. Poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, viral infections, and certain medications can all take a toll on our liver health. That's why it's crucial to be mindful of what we eat and drink, and to incorporate habits that support liver function. In this journey, we'll explore the top foods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also provide your liver with the care it deserves. Now, let's get started. The ultimate liver-loving foods, the champions of nourishment for our body's powerhouse. The liver. So, get ready to discover the top 7 food for your liver. Number 1, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts and cabbage contain compounds called glucosinolates. When broken down during digestion, these compounds produce substances that support the liver's detoxification process, helping to eliminate harmful toxins from the body. Antioxidant protection. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and various phytochemicals. These antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the liver, protecting it from damage caused by environmental toxins and metabolic processes. Many cruciferous vegetables contain anti-inflammatory compounds such as sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol. These compounds help to reduce inflammation in the liver, which is often associated with conditions like fatty liver disease and liver damage. Cruciferous vegetables have been studied for their potential anti-cancer effects, including liver cancer. Compounds like sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote their destruction, reducing the risk of liver cancer development. Studies have shown that regularly consuming cruciferous vegetables may help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver, a condition known as hepatic steatosis or fatty liver disease. This is particularly important for maintaining liver health and preventing more serious liver conditions. Number 2, turmeric. Turmeric stimulates the production of bile by the liver, which aids in the digestion and breakdown of fats. Bile also helps eliminate toxins from the liver, promoting detoxification. By supporting optimal bile production, turmeric facilitates the liver's natural detoxification processes. Studies have shown that curcumin may help protect against various liver diseases, including non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD), liver fibrosis, and liver cancer. It does so by reducing inflammation, oxidative stress, and fibrosis in the liver, as well as inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Liver fibrosis is the scarring of liver tissue that can occur in response to chronic liver injury or inflammation. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the activation of hepatic stellate cells, which are responsible for producing excess collagen and causing liver fibrosis. Elevated liver enzyme levels are indicators of liver damage or dysfunction. Research has shown that turmeric supplementation can help lower elevated liver enzyme levels, indicating improved liver function and health. Number 3, carrots. The high fiber content in carrots aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, which helps to eliminate toxins and waste products from the body. Additionally, carrots contain compounds that support the liver's detoxification processes, assisting in the breakdown and elimination of toxins. Carrots have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower and steadier increase in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. By helping to regulate blood sugar levels, carrots can support liver health and reduce the risk of insulin resistance, a precursor to fatty liver disease. The vitamin C content in carrots helps boost the immune system, protecting the liver from infections and illnesses. A healthy immune system is essential for maintaining liver health and function. Carrots contain soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and promoting its excretion from the body. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is important for liver health. Number 4, green tea. Green tea contains polyphenols with anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the liver. Chronic inflammation in the liver can lead to liver damage and diseases like hepatitis and fatty liver disease. Green tea has been shown to improve lipid metabolism by reducing levels of triglycerides and LDL cholesterol in the blood. Maintaining healthy lipid levels is important for liver health, as high levels of triglycerides and LDL cholesterol can contribute to fatty liver disease and liver damage. Green tea polyphenols have been found to inhibit the activation of hepatic stellate cells, which are responsible for producing excess collagen and causing liver fibrosis. By preventing the accumulation of scar tissue in the liver, green tea helps maintain liver health and function. Green tea consumption is associated with numerous health benefits beyond liver health, including cardiovascular health, weight management, and improved cognitive function. By promoting overall health and well-being, green tea supports the body's ability to maintain liver health. Number 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the liver, protecting it from damage and supporting overall liver health. Walnuts contain antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. By protecting liver cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, walnuts support liver function and health. Some studies suggest that walnuts may have anti-cancer properties, including the ability to inhibit the growth of liver cancer cells. Consuming walnuts regularly as part of a healthy diet may help reduce the risk of liver cancer development. In addition to supporting liver health, walnuts are nutrient-dense and provide essential vitamins, minerals, protein, and healthy fats. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can contribute to overall health and well-being, promoting a healthy liver and a healthy body. Number 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a rich plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the liver, protecting it from damage and supporting overall liver health. Chia seeds contain potassium, magnesium, and other minerals that help regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure can strain the liver and increase the risk of liver damage and diseases. Consuming chia seeds as part of a balanced diet may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and support liver health. Chia seeds have a mild, nutty flavor and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. They can be sprinkled on top of oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, added to smoothies and baked goods, or used as a thickening agent in puddings and sauces. In addition to supporting liver health, chia seeds have been associated with various health benefits, including improved heart health, better blood sugar control, enhanced digestive health, and weight management. However, more research is needed to fully understand the extent of these benefits. Number 7. Whole grains brown rice, oats. Whole grains contain prebiotic fibers that serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria. These fibers are fermented by gut bacteria in the colon, producing short-chain fatty acids SC like butyrate, acetate, and propionate. SC have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and contribute to gut barrier integrity. Whole grains like brown rice and oats are versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dietary patterns, including vegetarian, vegan, Mediterranean, and low-carbohydrate diets. This adaptability makes it easier for individuals to include whole grains in their meals and reap their liver health benefits regardless of their dietary preferences or restrictions. Whole grains contain bioactive compounds that can influence the secretion of gut hormones involved in appetite regulation and metabolism. For example, oats contain beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to increase the release of peptide E-PAE, a hormone that promotes feelings of fullness and satiety. By regulating gut hormones, whole grains can help control appetite and prevent overeating, which is beneficial for weight management and liver health. The liver has a remarkable ability to regenerate itself in response to injury or damage. Whole grains contain nutrients and bioactive compounds that support liver regeneration processes and facilitate the repair of damaged liver tissue. For example, oats are rich in the amino acid arginine, which is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule involved in various physiological processes, including liver regeneration. Incorporating these liver-supportive foods into your diet on a regular basis can help protect liver health, reduce the risk of liver diseases, and support overall well-being. However, it's important to consume these foods as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods and to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary recommendations, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Big thank you to everyone who clicked on my video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. It's always nice to express gratitude to your audience for their time and attention.